Okay, so for example, we have 5 plus 4 equals 9, right? And it's 3 times 7 equals 21. But why 5 plus 4 is 9 and 3 times 7 is 24? Because this symbol represent plus. This symbol represent multiplication. Correct? Am I right? Okay, but right now but who told you this little symbol represent plus? This is because of our natural resources, right? We learned it from the before experience. But right now, I'm going to give a new definition, for instance, like this at. 5 at 4 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. So what does it mean? For this equation, at equals plus. Get it, Zoe? So today, if I said 5 Zoe 4 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. So which one represent which one? Zoe represent plus. Get it, Amelia? Okay, so when we're having Amelia plus Zoe equals 5 plus 4. So Amelia equals 5, Zoe equals 4. Get it? So I first give an example. That is so-called definition. So from this question, I'm not apply for the other question. For this question, for right now, at represent plus. So I give you another example. 3 at 5 equals 3 plus 5 equals 8. So that means what? At equals plus. Got it? So that's why I want you to calculate 3 at 9 and 4 at 4 equals each other. Okay, so your turn. Very easy question, so you don't
I
have to.
already calculated 3 and 9 in the chat.
No, you don't have to do anything. Okay, Amelia? After you're done, I will call your name, you tell me the number, and that's it. Done very quickly. Okay? Okay, so Amelia, what is the answer for the first one?
For the first one, 3 at 9 equals 12.
Very good. How about you, Zoe, the second one?
4 at 4 equals 8.
Very good. Very easy, right? Okay, so let's take a look at next one. So this time I'm not going to give you any help because I think this one's very easy. For example, 5 star 4 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. 6 star 5 equals 6 plus 5 equals 11. Could you please tell me 4 star 8 and 2 star 9 equals what?
I finished sending it to you.
No, you don't have to. Okay, so Amelia, could you please tell me the first one? What is the answer?
First one, 4 plus 8 equals 12.
And Zoe, what is the next one? Very easy.
2 star 9 equals 11.
Very good. Okay, so now let's move forward, okay? So sometimes the new definitions also could contains different numbers. Okay, so we're talking about the whole number. And what's next? 5% 4 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. And we can also apply to the decimal number 6 percentage 4.5 equals 10.5. So quickly enough, Amelia, could you please directly tell me 3% 4.7 equals what?
10.7.
Very good. And what is the next one, Zoe?
That one's 9.
Very good. Okay, so now 4 at 4. Oh, 这不是一样的吗? Why? Okay, so now we have a whole sets of the number. 7 star 9 equals 7 divided by 9. So now could you please tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this time please send it to me by chat. 1, 2, go.
老师，我得上厕所。
好，快去。那个 Amelia 要去吗？
不用，可是
好的，
那个
你都已经
is
上好了，是不是？
5 over 5, 5 divided by 5, so it's 1.
Yes.
Okay.
回来了。
Okay. 好了，这个题目很简单啊。So we're gonna do very quickly. I saw Amelia's answer and Zoe's
Well, I
answer.
didn't send
Okay,
it
and
to
also.
you.
Oh, sorry, this is Zoe's, not Amelia's. Okay, Zoe, I have a question, okay? So you sent it to me, first question, you sent it to me 4 over 8, right? It looks no problem. But 4 over 8 equals what?
1 over 2.
Very good. Get it? 1 over 2. So this should be the final answer, not
Can I give the answer to you as a decimal?
you don't have to. Fraction is okay. Okay, next one. So next one. 5 little star 8 equals 13. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly do this one. So 6, 7 equals what, Amelia?
13,
5, 6 equals what?
11.
And Zoe, 5, 3 equals what?
8.
And
Oh.
could you please tell me what is the final answer? Okay, send it to me by chat. Okay, very good. So the answer is not going to be changed, still 23, right? So let's take a look at the next one, if the order is going to change anything or not. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. A at B equals 3A minus 2B. So what does it mean? That means the number before at is going to time 3 minus the number after the at times 2. Understand? Okay, so all of you, please do this question. Okay, so now I'm going to explain this question, okay? So remember I said the number before at times 3, so 15, the number after the at times 2, and they minus it, so equals 7. So 18 minus 8 equals 10. 15 minus 4 equals 11. And 15 minus 6 equals 9. I hope you all of them right, but we're going to take a look at the last one. Okay, so BETMath is going to still apply for all the new definition and all the application for the calculation. So let's take a look at this one. When you see the bracket, it's always the first priority. So 3 at 2. Okay, so 3 times 3 equals 9 minus 2 times 2 equals 4, so equals 5. So this question becomes 3 at 5. So 3 times 3 minus 5 times 2, so equals 9 minus 10 equals -1. Okay, I give you some time. Take a look at this last question again, and we're going to move forward. Okay, so are we good? Can we move forward? Okay, so let's to move forward. The next one. Zoe 和 Amelia, 如果你们有什么地方不懂的, you can stop me, okay? Okay, you can ask questions, but if you don't have any questions, you're going to move forward. So A number sign B equals 3A plus 2B. So this time, this dollar sign represent plus. And the A, the number before that, you need to times 3 first. And the number after that, you need to times 2. So for this one, so because 4 is before the dollar sign, so 3 times 4 plus 5 times 2. So the answer is 12 plus 10 equals 22, correct? Okay, so number 3, 2, 1. So 3 questions, please go. Okay, so I'm going to explain the first question. So 9 plus 12 equals 21. Next one, 6 plus 16 equals 22. And last one, always bad math, right? So for dollar sign 3, we're going to do this one first. So 12 plus 6 equals 18. So $2 sign 18 equals 6 plus 36 equals 42. You finished? I hope you get it right. Okay, good job. Okay, so let's take a look at that next one. Okay, so this time still the same thing. So this time not going to do any definition or thing. So we're going to do it for this. Okay, your turn. Send it to me by chat. Okay, so Zoe and Amelia, I'm going to give you the answer. So 12 plus 10 equals 22. So
Okay, I sent it to you.
okay, thank you. So 9 plus 12 equals, 这个是不是一样呀？So 6 plus 8, 16 equals 22. I think that's the same thing. Am I right? 你怎么没告诉我？大家重新来一遍。Okay, so now let's move forward to something hard. Okay. So sometimes we're not only have one function, we are going to have two definitions, correct, Zoe? So like A pond B equals 3A minus 2B. A at B equals 3A plus 2B. So I want you to do 5 pond 4 at 3 pond 2 at 1. Okay, so I want you to take a look at this one. So all the question is from left to right. Okay, all of you, you have 1 minute. You try to do yourself, then we do it together. Yeah, of course. 刚刚让你去不去？真的是讨厌。
And I finished the question.
Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 5 at pond 4. So we go from left to right, okay? So 5 pond 4 equals 3 times 5 minus 2 times 4. Oh, sorry, Amelia's not back yet. Amelia 还没回来吗？Zoe 你做完了吗？那我们把这个动着啊，OK，然后把下面的抄下来。OK，好了，那这边是不是等于7啊？So the question becomes 7 at 3.2 at 1. Understand? Okay, so let's do this one. So 21 plus 6 and 0.2 at 1. So it's 27.2 at 1. Okay, so equals 27 times 3 minus 2 times 2 and at 1. So equals 81 minus 4 at 1 equals 77 at 1 equals 77 times 3 plus 2 times 1. So the answer is 231 and plus 2 equals 230. Get it?
Kind of, yeah.
Okay, so Zoe, if you understand this one, could you please do 1.1 plus 2.2 plus 3.3? How to do that, okay? Do you need my help? So 1.1, 2.2. So let's take a look at this one. This one is obviously a lot of terms, correct, Zoe? So Amelia, obviously we're not going to calculate each term of them and plus together. It's going to be too much work, right? So when you see something like that, there's something is so-called a pattern. Correct? So let's take a look at this one, 1.1. So 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1 equals what? Equals 1. 2 upon 2, 3 times 2.
You aren't sharing the screen.
Pardon me?
You aren't sharing the screen right now. I can't see it.
You
I
were,
can see.
I can't.
okay.
I can. I could.
Can you see it, everybody?
Yeah, now I
Yes.
can see it.
Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 1 pound 1 equals what? Equals 3 times 1 minus 2 times 1 equals 1, right? So 2 pound 2 equals 3 times 1, 2 minus 2 times 2 equals what? Equals 2. 3 pound 3 equals what? 3 times 3 minus 2 times 3 equals what? Equals 3. Okay, could you please guess 4 pound 4 equals what?
4.
Let's see if you're right. 4 times 3 minus 4 times 2. Yes, you're right. So this question became 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus all the way to what? 100. Can we do that? The first one plus the last one times how many numbers and divided by 2. So the answer is 5050. Get it? Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This one's very easy, but the symbol became a little sun, right? So let's take a look at this one. Okay, so the first question, I'm going to quickly give you answer. Too easy, right? So 5 times 3 minus 3 times 3 equals 6. And 3 times 5 minus 5 times 3 equals 0.
Do
Okay.
we have to do 4 sunshine 3?
Oh, yeah, and 4 sunshine 3. Sorry. It's 20 minus 9 equals 11. Thank you, Amelia. Good job. Okay, so let's move forward to the next page. Okay, now this time A sunshine B equals A plus B minus A minus B, and we're going to calculate a very long equation. Like I said, Zoe and Amelia, when you see the long equation, it's impossible to ask you to calculate the question one by one. It's always what? Find the pattern. Okay, so I want you to find the pattern yourself and tell me the answer. Okay, so do you need my help? Just need a little bit more time just to give you some hint, okay? So A sunshine B equals the first one plus the second one and minus the first one minus the second one. So we're going to calculate the first term first. 2 sunshine 1 equals what? 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So the answer is 2. Second one, 3 sunshine 2 equals 3 plus 2 minus 3 minus 2 equals 4. 4 sunshine 3 equals 4 plus 3 minus 4 minus 3, so equals 6. Okay, so Amelia, could you please make a guess? 5 sunshine 4 equals what?
8.
Very good. And we can make a guess. So 10 sunshine 9 equals what?
18.
Very good. So this question became 2 plus 18 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus all the way to 18. This one I can do it. Okay, so it's 2 plus 18. How many questions are there? How many numbers are there? 9 numbers, and divided by 2 equals 90. Get it? Okay, much easy, right? So much easy. So let's take a look at the next one, okay? So, 这两个是一样的吧？为什么一样？哦，没有，没有，在这儿。Okay, so any two natural numbers, A and B. So what does a natural number mean? That means it's not contain zero, it's not contain negative number, there's no fraction, there's no decimal, they're just natural numbers, okay? A at B equals A plus 1 plus A plus 2 plus all the way to A plus B minus 1. So I want you to calculate A at 100 equals
What is a natural number?
natural. I just explained.
It's a natural.
Oh, yeah.
Natural.
Sorry, wrong. Yeah. You understand, okay? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 所以我们先来看 1 at 100. So obviously it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus all the way to what? 100. 对不对？就跟前面那个一样。So it's 1 plus 100 times 100 divided by 2. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Next one is different, okay? So this time we don't know the number before the at, but can we create the equation ourselves? Zoe? So let's try to do that, okay? Just present like, I know the first one is x. The second one will be what? X plus 1. The third one, x plus 2, x plus 3. And the last one is what? X plus 10 minus 1, correct? And plus all of them equals what? Equals 75. Can you make this equation first? This is the most important part. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So how do we do it? This equation has two parts, Zoe and Amelia, the x part and the number part, right? So first of all, I want to ask you, how many x's are there?
100.
11, I think.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So this is x with no number. This is x plus 1. So when x plus 1, how many x are there?
There's,
1, 2.
yeah,
When x plus 2, how many x are there? 1, 2,
3.
3. When x plus 3, how many x are there? 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. So now we have what? X plus 10 minus 1. So equals what? X plus 9. So how many x are there? 10x. Correct? Okay, let's do it again, okay? When x alone, there's 1x. When x plus 1, there's 2x. When x plus 2, there's 3x. When x plus 3, there's 4x. So when x plus 9 ends up with x plus 9, how many x are there? 10x. Correct? So now I'm going to deal with the number part. So we're having 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to 9. 1 plus 9 times 9 divided by 2. Correct? Equals what? Equals 75. We have the equation like 10x plus 45 equals 75. Correct? So 10x equals what? Equals 30. X equals what? Equals 3. Get it? Okay, I'm going to clear this one and let you do it yourself again, okay? For this part, I want you to make sure you understand every single step. If you don't, please ask me right now. Okay, so your turn. 周易做完了吗？懂了吗？给阿米莉亚1分钟时间啊。会了吗，阿米莉亚？Okay, let's go. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at this one. Okay, still any two natural number, A and B. So this time, A at B equals A plus A plus A, 1 plus A plus 2 plus A all the way to A plus B minus 1. So this time I want you to calculate what is the value of X. This time, this question is hard, but I want you to do yourself. We tried it for 2 minutes and I will going to help you, okay? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. X at 3 at 2. So bracket first, right, Zoe? The bracket first. So X at 3 equals what? So it's going to be an equation, right? Because we don't know what is X. So it's X plus 1 plus x plus 2, and that's it. Just 1 second, I need to pick up a phone. Hello? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So why I stop at 2? Zoe, because it's x at 3, right? So 3 is at 2, correct? Amelia, understand? Okay, so I have this one. And at 2 equals 121. Okay, it is very important that you just copy whatever is not finished in the equation. Because we can do this part first. But it doesn't mean that the rest of them is not existing, correct? Okay, so 3x plus 3 at 2 equals 121, correct? Okay, so let's do the second one. So at this moment, this 3x plus 3 is a whole thing. If you want to make it easy, you can make 3x plus 3 equals a. You make a bigger a, so it's a at 2 equals 121. Get it? Okay, why I'm changing this is because a at b is a one thing. It makes your brain is try to adjust it. So we can do a plus 1, a plus 1 equals 121, correct? So it's 2a plus 1 equals 121. So 2a equals 120. So a equals 60. So I'm going to go back to this one. So 3x plus 3 equals 60. So 3x equals 57. So x equals 90. Okay, this question is hard. I know. I give you some time to understand this better.好了，告诉老师啊。 好了吗？有没有问题？有没有问题要 move forward 的了？都可以啊，真的都可以吗？这么厉害吗？Okay, so let's take a look at this one. If a at b equals a minus b, a minus 2 times b, when a at 5 equals 30, what is the value of a? 老师去上个厕所，你们自己做一下好吗？加油哦！
Wait, does the star represent times?
哦，sorry，对，times，对的，因为在这个电脑上面打不出乘法，所以这个就是乘法。
Could you do an X?
X is too big. Okay, so can I help you? Okay, this question is a little bit hard, right, Zoe? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So let's just do when you have like something like that stuck in your head, let's just do something easy. So what if it is 5 at 3? We don't know. We just make up something, okay? So it's 5 minus 2 times 3. 对不对？好了，那说明就是这个前面的数减去2乘以3，对不对？So use the number before at minus 2 and time the number after that. So let's take a look at this one. A at 5 equals what? So A minus 2 times 5 equals 30. Okay, it's very important to consider the unknown as known. Consider unknown as known is going to help you to create an equation. Consider unknown as known is going to help you to create an equation. So we have what? A minus 2 times 5 equals 30. So A minus 2 equals 6. 8 equals 8. Okay,
got
good. You got it right? Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so if A at 3 equals 2 plus 3 plus 4, and 7 at 2 equals 7 plus 8, and 3 at 5 equals 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, what is the value of 3, 9 at 6? If n at 8 equals 68, what is the value of n? Okay, I want you to first of all need to find out what is the equation represent to. And this one, it's not directly telling you the function. It's ask you to find the function yourself. The first step is find out the function yourself. Second one, find the value of the special case. And third one is find out the unknown. Okay, your turn. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at what is the value. So 2 at 3 equals 2 plus 3 plus 4. 7 at 2 equals 7 plus 8. 有没有发现每次都是什么呀？ Every time is just 1, 2, 3, 2, and 5. The first one is the starting number. The second one is how many numbers are there. Get it, Amelia? So this one is 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus all the way to what? 15. Sorry, 14.
Yeah, that's what I said here.
So 9 plus 14 times 6 divided by 2. Very easy. Okay, so next one is the same thing. It's n plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus all the way to n plus 8 minus 1 equals 68. So how many n's are there? 8n plus 1 plus 7 times 7 divided by 2 equals 68. So 8n plus 28. Oh my God. 28 equals 68. So 8n equals 40. So n equals 5. We're done. Got it? Okay, so that's it for today's class. Remember, okay, so teacher told you the reason we're learning here is not something necessarily you have to do on not like any of your friends. Like none of them actually is learning these things like that. So I want you to learn this because I want you to feel like good about yourself. Okay, because you're learning something extra, and that means you are already better. And it's not compared with somebody else, it's compared with yourself 1 hour and 30 minutes ago. You're better. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. We're going to see each other next week. Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
再见。
再见。